Imagine is played with a capo on fret 6. Hold a C major chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 5, middle finger on fret 2 of string 4, and index finger on fret 1 of string 2. Play string 5, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, 1. Add the little finger to fret 4 of string 3 and play string 5, 1, 2, 3. Raise the little finger and play string 1, 2, play strings 4 and 3 together, then play string 1. Hold an F major 7th chord with the ring finger on fret 3 of string 4, middle finger on fret 2 of string 3, and index finger on fret 1 of string 2. Play string 4, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, 1. Bar 4 is the same as bar 3. Bars 5 to 8 are the same as bars 1 to 4. Here's verse 1. Bars 9 and 10 are the same as bar 1 played twice. Bars 11 and 12 are the same as bars 7 and 8. Repeat these bars 4 times to play verse 1. Here's verse 1. Bar 25 is the same as bar 23. Keep the index finger on fret 1 of string 2 and move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 4. Play the same picking pattern as bar 25. Hold a D minor chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 3, little finger on fret 3 of string 2, and index finger on fret 1 of string 1. Repeat the same picking pattern as bar 26. Continue holding the D minor chord and move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 5. Play string 5, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, raise the chord hand and play open strings 3 and 2 together, then play open string 1. Hold a G chord with the middle finger on fret 3 of string 6 and ring finger on fret 3 of string 1. Play string 6, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, 1. Bar 30 is the same as bar 29. Play fret 3 of string 6 and hold this note until the last quarter note of bar 32, where string 6 is played open. Here's pre-chorus 1. Hold an F major chord with the index finger barring across fret 1 of all 6 strings and middle finger on fret 2 of string 3. Play string 6, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, then while changing to the G chord play open string 3, 1. Hold a G chord and play string 6, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3, then while changing to the C chord play string 1 open. Bar 35 is the same as bar 21. Hold the index finger on fret 1 of string 3 and play string 6, 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, 3. Hold an F chord and play string 6 and 3 together, then play string 1, 2, 3. Play string 1, 2, Then while changing to the G chord, play open string 3, 1. Bars 38 to 40 are the same as bars 34 to 36. Bars 41 to 44 are the same as bars 33 to 36. Bars 45 to 47 are the same as bars 41 to 43. Bar 48 is the same as bar 47. Here's chorus 1. Verse 2 is the same as verse 1. Pre-chorus 2 is the same as pre-chorus 1. Chorus 2 is similar to chorus 1, with the only difference being on bar 77. On bar 77, string 6 is played on the first note of the bar, instead of string 6 and 3 together as in bar 37. Here's chorus 2. Verse 3 is the same as verse 2. Pre-chorus 3 is the same as pre-chorus 2. Chorus 3 is the same as chorus 2 from bars 73 to 86. On the final bar, hold a C chord and play strings 5, 4 and 3 as an arpeggio. Here's chorus 3.